Then, let it be. Pinch of salt. So, let's cover it guys para yung init. Yan, as you can see, pa yung sa taas, medyo makover yung mga di pa luto. Partially pa yan. Partially. So guys, as you can see right now, that's what I'm talking about. Sure. It's ready. We have the onion, of course. A lot of onion. We have also the garlic. Ooh. And the ginger. And also this one, bell pepper. Ooh, the butterfly is here again. Where have you been coming here? The other day you've been here. And the okra. Oh, I don't have talong. It's quite expensive to buy here. So I choose okra instead. And we have also this one, but I'm gonna put it later. Just later. The oil. Ooh. Okay. We're also going to add some. We're going also to add some water. Yeah. Perfect. A lot of water. And enough salt according to your taste or preferred, blah blah blah, choo choo choo, whatsoever. Broken pepper or lisu. Yeah, the powder. A lot of it. So let's cover it and make it high blood. And this is the last part, guys. I'm gonna add a pinch of sugar to make everything balance. Balance. Let it be.